Welcome back to the channel. My name is Derek, and today we're out on my back porch because it's getting a little nicer out and I'm tired of being stuck inside all the time with the social distancing guidelines right now. So I've come out here to do this short video for you. Today we're going to be talking about the TERYX Cormac t-shirt that I'm wearing here for travel. So over the last 4.5 years of travel, I've tried a lot of different shirts that are supposed to be moisture wicking, lightweight and all that. And I've kind of come to the consensus that the merino wool shirts made by Icebreaker, the Tech Tee series, were the ones that I was going to be using for as long as I could. But I've actually found that they get little rips and stuff in them pretty easily, and I've went through quite a few of those shirts now just from, getting them ripped in different situations. And usually I don't toss out the shirt until I absolutely have to, when there's a few bigger holes in the fabric. There's a cat. Hi, kitty. Oh, you joined me up here. All right, I think the cat is gone now, but what I was saying before about the Icebreaker shirts is that they're not as durable as I would have hoped. Once you get some holes in them, the holes start to get large really quickly, and that makes it very hard to keep the shirt for a long time, especially if you're trying to wear it in a bunch of different situations like I am while I'm traveling. I only have a few shirts. So while we're in quarantine right now, I thought I would do some online shopping and see if I could find an alternative. And I came up with this TERYX Cormac shirt. And I've got two colors. I've actually got this, which is called Cinder, and then this blue one, which they call Hubble. I got this shirt about a week ago. This Cinder shirt here I've been wearing for almost a week, maybe actually a little over a week, just to do a test on it. And honestly, it's a great material. It feels really strong. It's 100% polyester, whereas the Icebreaker shirt is 87% merino and 13% nylon. So I was kind of worried about this being a polyester shirt and like a workout shirt or a lightweight shirt, and it not having the same properties as the Icebreaker shirt, but I'm actually happily surprised. After wearing this for about a week, I don't smell anything different. It smells pretty fresh, just like I would have washed it. And I think that's because they put a silver coating on this, an antimicrobial coating. One of the other things I like a lot about this shirt is the fit. It's a very athletic fit, and it's got some gusseting under the sleeves here so that you can actually reach up without pulling the whole shirt up. It's actually a really good system. And on the older shirt, it's basically just a regular style t-shirt at the seams here, so there's no gusseting for movement or anything like that. If you're just here looking for a quick price and weight comparison, the TERYX shirt is actually going to be cheaper at $69 instead of $75 for the Icebreaker merino wool shirt, and it's actually going to be a little bit lighter at 3.7 ounces instead of 4.4. Both shirts are imported. The TERYX is made in Indonesia, whereas the Icebreaker is made in China, if that matters to you at all. So the last few things I like about this shirt that made me switch to TERYX over the Icebreaker shirts is that it's fast drying. I actually spilled some water on myself a few days ago, and within like 15 or 20 minutes it was completely dry again. These little side blazes here, I know it's just a tiny detail, but they're reflective, so if you're out at night or anything like that, the light will hit it and reflect and people will be able to see you. And then the fact that it is a lot more durable and can be machine washed and machine dried. The care instructions for this shirt say you can put it on low heat in the dryer, whereas the Icebreaker shirt you have to line dry, and then this shirt you actually can wash cool instead of wash warm. On either shirt though, you're not supposed to use softeners, so just take that under advisement when you're washing. But these shirts will probably mostly be washed in camp sinks or in hostel rooms. So after trying them out and wearing this shirt for about a week, I think I'm gonna make the switch in my pack to the TERYX shirts. I've got the two, which will be good for now, and I'll see how long they hold up in the long run, and then maybe I'll make another video about the longevity of them later. I hope this video was informative if you are also looking for a lightweight backpacking shirt. I'll leave a link below in the description so you can find these shirts online at TERYX's website, and you can also look around their store and see other high quality stuff that they offer. This has not been sponsored in any way, and they're not reviewing anything that I say before this goes up, so it's just my first impressions of about a week of use of the TERYX Cormac shirt. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and think I deserve your subscription, please click the subscribe button below, along with the bell icon to be notified of all my new videos. This video has not been sponsored, but I'll leave a link in the description below to my website and my Teespring page. So if you'd like to go over there and check out some of the designs that I put on t-shirts and sweatshirts, feel free to go check those out and help support the channel. Thanks again for watching this video, and never stop adventuring.